Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to sign up inside Credit Union online banking. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Click on the search bar and type in insidecreditunion.com. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Inside Credit Union. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the section for digital banking login. You'll be able to find the option for login and register over here. So if you want to enroll into online banking, simply click on this option, register now. Now you can see over here you'll be led to the registration interface. From here you'll be able to register for the online banking account. All you have to do is fill in this form that you can see right over here. What you have to do is enter your social security number, account number or type, last name, birth date, etc. So simply click on the field of social security number. Now enter the social security number over here. Now simply click on the field of account number and enter the account number over here. Now click on the field of account type. Now you'll be able to select the account type over here. After doing that, what you have to do is enter your last name. Now also enter your email address. This is optional, but you can also enter it. Likewise, you can also enter the mobile phone. This is also optional. Now what you have to do is provide your birth date. Click on the field of birth date. Now enter the month. Now enter the day. Likewise, enter the year. Now after you do that, what you have to do is click on the submit option that you can see on the screen. After that, it will be submitted. Now after submitting this, what you have to do is simply follow any prompts that you'll be able to see on your screen. You'll have to create your credentials too. So simply create your username and password. Likewise, follow any process as required by Inside Credit Union. After that, your account will be created. So that is how you sign up inside Credit Union online banking. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.